Hi guys, it's Natasha and I'm back with another nail trend. This look was inspired by the painter Koi. A few weeks ago, she dropped a flame-like acrylic nail set on the gram and the people were going crazy. Also, they were asking her what she used, but she really didn't reply. So I wanted to see if I could recreate the look, and I set out on a quest to find something to emulate her nails. Days passed, and in typical Tasha fashion, I totally forgot about it until recently when I was on AliExpress looking for nail stickers. Then it dawned on me I could totally make my own. So I broke out my crafting supplies and created two nail looks centered around nail decals. But today, I'm going to show you how I created this flame nail set using the stickers I made. I cut out two sets and I want to give one away. So I guess today I'll be hosting my first giveaway. I'll talk more about the details a little later. Until then, let's jump into this nail art tutorial. In this video, I will be making a simple press-on nail set. First, I found nails to fit my nail beds. Then, I found the tip to remove the tab. Next, I used IBD base gel. I could have started the process by placing the decal straight on the nail, but I wanted to be sure this look would last, so I'm encapsulating the flame in gel polish. After base coat, I cure. Once cured, I use the lint-free wipe and alcohol to remove the tacky layer. This will help the decal stick to the nail better and reduce the possibility of the sticker shifting when I add more gel polish later. Using tweezers and my fingers, I removed the sticker from the white backing and placed on the nail. This decal has pieces you can place on the nail to ensure you get the flame look from sidewall to sidewall. So if you have any gaps, like I did, you can use those pieces to fill in any empty spaces. So once I get these other small sticker pieces in place, I am going to use the base gel again. And then I will go ahead and cure. So in this next clip, I'll show you the profile of the nail so you can see that the sticker does not add any bulk. Once cured, I'll add IBD no cleanse top coat. So this top coat is fairly thick. I like it because it self levels and it is very durable. So I'll go ahead and cure this first layer and then come back and add another layer of top coat. The reason I'm doing that is because I want to be sure there's no breakdown and that this nail will last for a few wears. So once this cures, I'll go ahead and show you how the nail looks with a glossy finish. So the glossy top is a good look, but I wanted to see how it looks matte. So I used my buffer to remove the shine and also made sure that the nail was even. Then I will apply a matte top. Today I will use Wave Gel Matte Top Coat. I'll go ahead and cure this for 1 minute and then I'll show you the final reveal. But before I do that, let me break down the details of this giveaway. The winner will receive 10 flame nail stickers. No frills packaging, just a padded envelope and nail stickers. You will receive the same color shown here. All you have to do is be a subscriber and leave a comment below. You can comment as much as you like. Just so you know, I will verify if you have subscribed. This contest will end May 28th at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, and the winner will be notified by 12:15 p.m. on the same day. For more details, please check the description box. So let's get back into this nail look. Here's the finished look. They look so cute on. If you guys are interested, I am also selling this press-on nail set, so click the Etsy link in my description box. I know I have been absent, but when I'm here, I do drop some cool nail art tutorials. So if you want to be notified when I do drop more content, click the subscribe button and let me slide into your YouTube feed. That's all I have for you today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.